This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom watch list and market report for the week ending July 9th, 2022. Our question this week is, what is a relief rally? The answer will be provided later in the video. This week, the market ended higher. The Dow Jones Industrial Average decreased minus 0.15% on Friday, but was up 0.77% for the week. The S&P 500 decreased minus 0.08% on Friday, but was up 1.94% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 0.12% on Friday and was up 4.56% for the week. Looking at the week, we can see that there were 3 down finishes versus 9 up finishes for the major indexes. On Monday, the market was closed. On Tuesday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was down, while the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq finished up. On Wednesday and Thursday, all the major indexes finished up. And on Friday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 finished down, while the Nasdaq finished up. The new unemployment claims were 235,000. Payrolls increased 372,000 in June. The U.S. dollar was mostly flat in choppy trading. Gold fell for the fourth straight week on Friday. U.S. Treasury yields jumped, and Elon Musk notified Twitter that he was terminating the deal to purchase Twitter. New unemployment claims, monthly payroll increases, the U.S. dollar trading flat, gold falling for the fourth week in a row, U.S. Treasury yields jumping, and Elon Musk stating that he was canceling the deal to purchase Twitter are all news. And news drives the market, good and bad. Day-to-day predictions on whether the market is going to go up or down is virtually impossible because predicting the news is impossible. However, the market is rigged to go up. It does not go up every day or even every week, but the market will generally go up over time. Stock prices move in a random fashion. They go up and down with an upward drift. The market will go up because the powers that be want the market to go up. While there are many powers out there, the top 5 powers that be are the Federal Reserve, big financial institutions, big corporations, the President, and Congress. These 5 entities will do what they must to drive the market higher. Now we are at our question of the week. What is a relief rally? A relief rally is when, after a general market sell-off, market prices rise temporarily. Relief rallies often occur when anticipated negative news end up not being so negative, or at least not seen by the market as being negative. Investors and traders step in and start buying shares, which bid prices higher. Relief rallies can occur in all types of markets where prices have fallen over time, including the stock market, the precious metals market, currency markets, and the crypto market. The stock market and Bitcoin both increased this week after being in a downturn for several weeks. Relief rallies are temporary market upturns. Will the stock market and Bitcoin continue to rally, or will they drop again next week? In short, are they just in relief rallies? What about your stocks? Did they experience a relief rally, or do you own any stocks at all? If not, why not? Is it because you do not understand anything about the stock market? Well, it was not taught to you in school. However, if you ever want to learn how to get wealth and income through the stock market, you're going to have to teach yourself. You must RSI. Read, save, and invest. Formal school taught you how to read, but society and the powers that be discourages you from reading, especially books. School taught you to be a worker. They did not teach you how to be an investor. And they taught you absolutely nothing about the U.S. financial system. You can learn how to be an investor if you simply start reading books about investing. Books that you can borrow from the library for free or buy cheaply online. It is not difficult to learn how to be a passive investor, which is what most people should do. Check out this list of recommended books on the books page of the Southside website. These books and others like them will not tell you which direction the market is going to go, but you can learn how to make money in the market no matter what the market does. I don't know which way the market is going to go on a daily basis, and I don't care. I trade the market as it is, not as it should be. I take what the market gives me, whether it's going up, down, or even sideways. How do I do that? I apply the Southside strategy. You can learn more about the Southside trading strategy at southsideschooloffinancialfreedom.com. Here is the Southside trading watch list from the week ending July 9th, 2022. The strongest performer on the list this week was Editas Medicine Incorporated, ticker symbol EDIT, in the third column. It was down minus 1.32% on Friday, but increased 19.14% for the week. Editas is a clinical stage genome editing company that focuses on transformative genomic medicines to treat a range of serious diseases at the generic level. Looking at a summary of results, you can see that Editas has decreased minus 43.5% year to date. I did not trade or generate cash from Editas this week, but I may in the future. Whether a stock goes up or down, you can generate cash flow from it. Whether you own a stock or not, you can still generate cash flow from it using the Southside strategy. The Southside trading strategy involves trading for weekly cash flow, that is, trading for income. SPY is shown at the bottom of the third column. SPY is the S&P 500 ETF. This is the benchmark I compare my trading performance to. My objective is to beat the S&P 500 index while at the same time generating cash flow. Most professional money managers do not consistently outperform the S&P 500 index. They usually lose and lose badly to the index. Thus, most investors and traders should just invest in or trade a market index fund or ETF like SPY. What do? Do you beat the S&P 500 index? Do you have a watch list? What is your investing and or trading strategy? How well do you do against the S&P 500 index ETF SPY? Let me know in the comments section. Are you willing to share your strategy? The Southside portfolio cash flow system is outperforming the S&P 500 index ETF SPY. The Southside portfolio is down minus 10.43% versus minus 18.17% for SPY, a difference of 7.74%. The Southside is beating SPY by almost 8%. The cash flow generated by the Southside cash flow system for this week was 7.9% of the portfolio account value. The account value changed by 12.46%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 ETF SPY changed by 1.95%. Bitcoin watch. Bitcoin gained almost 13% this past week, but it continues to be in a bear market. It has lost more than 68% of its value from its all-time high achieved in November 2021. I sold option contracts on two positions this week, one call and one put. That ranged from $64.01 to $225.34. You can get more details, including the total dollar amount of cash flow for the week, on the website southsideschooloffinancialfreedom.com. Check out past videos for questions of the week to increase your financial IQ and understanding of the stock market. The videos are organized in playlists by levels. There are levels 1, 2, and 3. In the meanwhile, please like, share, and subscribe.